Hello everyone, I want to show you a new product updated console lab. It's for our Planetary gear set trainer. This is something that we've had for many years, but we've got a new and improved version, so I'm going to tell you all about it. So these Planetary gear set trainers, they're made for teaching, of course, gear ratios. So all the math is simple, all the tooth counts are easy, the numbers work out. So we make it very easy for the students to be able to count the teeth, figure out the ratios, do the math, and come up with the right results. And of course, this is all for teaching transmissions. I mean, you're going to be using this in your transmission class, whether it's an electric car, a hybrid car, internal combustion vehicle, a diesel truck. So many different vehicles use Planetary gear sets. So very ubiquitous. Now, we can use this in automotive programs, in diesel, heavy truck programs, and more. And of course, it can be used at both the high school and college levels. So this new and improved version is built on a steel base. It's got HDPE gear set, so this plastic gear set, very robust, very long lasting, and it saves a lot of weight. So this one's lighter than the outgoing model. 21-inch diameter for the ring gear, about 53 centimeters. And this is a purely visual trainer. It's designed 100% to be hands-on. Your students have got to get their hands on it, and they got to be turning the knobs. There's a knob for each of the components, the ring, the plant carrier, the sun. They got to turn everything, feel it. They're going to be learning kinesthetically and how this interacts, how it works. Now you can demo 7 different modes of operation of how a Planetary gear set works. So you can do overdrive, underdrive, reverse. You can even kind of do like what you would do with a hybrid vehicle where you're driving 2 different components at the same time. It's really cool. And it's in a tabletop format, so you can bring in your classroom, set it down on any desk, any surface, and get to work. Now for each of those 3 components, the ring, the plant carrier, and the sun, we've got a pin that you can go in and lock each of the components, and then you can calculate out the ratio, see how it works. So let's watch it in action. We can see it spinning around there. It's a great new trainer. It's simple, elegant, and it'll be a great addition to your classroom. To find out more about our products, please visit consolab.com. And if you have any ideas, comments, questions, please leave them in the comments below on the video. Thanks. Have a great day.